Hi. So we are given with the following data. Our height of the triangle, we will call it our A, is equivalent to 4 centimeters. And then the base of our triangle is 5 centimeters. And its height or the length of the prism is equivalent to, we'll denote that as our H. We have 10 centimeters. Now, what do we need to find? We need to find the volume of our given triangular prism. Now, in solving for the volume of this figure, we'll just have to use this formula. For the volume of a triangular prism is equivalent to 1 half multiplied by its the given height of the triangle. So that's A, and then the base is equivalent to b, and then multiplied by its height or the length. So we have